the process of an import-export shipment. In this section, we will mainly focus on the process of an import-export shipment transported by sea. In country A, there will be a seller, also known as the exporter, who is the one exporting, and in country B, there will be a buyer, also known as the importer. The seller will sign a sales contract with the buyer. In this contract, it will be stipulated that the seller will produce and deliver the goods to the buyer. Conversely, the buyer will have to make a deposit, if required, and pay for the goods to the seller. On both sides of the ocean, there will be a POL, port of loading, also known as the export port, and a POD, port of discharge, also known as the import port. The vessel will be provided by the shipping line to transport the goods. Containers will be transported from the export port to the import port. Near the ports, on land, there will be customs departments of the exporting country and the importing country, performing the tasks of supervising import and export goods, preventing smuggling, and managing taxes. In small companies that do not handle customs procedures or book vessels directly with shipping lines, there will be the involvement of forwarding companies, denoted as FWO 1 and 2, specializing in providing services including vessel booking, customs declaration, and domestic trucking. Once the goods are ready, the vessel booking will begin. At this point, the sender is referred to as the shipper, and the receiver is called the consignee. The goods will be transported to the port via trucking, and customs procedures will be carried out, either directly or through a forwarder. After that, the goods will be loaded onto the vessel and transported from the export port to the import port. The vessel can travel directly or transit through another vessel before reaching the import port. When the goods arrive at the import port, they will undergo import customs clearance and be trucked to the customer's warehouse, possibly cleared through Forwarder 2 or Forwarder 2. Additionally, there will be the role of two banks, or the banks of the exporter and the importer, to carry out payment transactions. For example, TT, LC, and DP, so that the money will